Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Bikash. So today I am going to discuss about the first missing positive in a number. For example, suppose there is a list named 100, 3, 5, 89, 2, 190. So first positive missing number is here is 4, and in this case the first missing positive number is 6. So that is the program and I am going to discuss over here. So right now I am going to discuss that. So first thing, I have created a function that is missing number array. So array is of type list, and what it will return, it will return of type integer. So this is the return type of this function. Now I have created one variable, that is length of array, and one variable flag, that is I have initialized it to false. Now I will check first that whether 1 is present in the array or not. So for that I have taken one for loop, that is for I in range, flag equal to true, and break. So if 1 is found in the means list, then the flag will be set as true and it will be break. If if 1 is not found over there, that means flag is false. So if not flag, it will return it is true. So it will return it's 1. Now next thing is that this is for 1 edge case, that where 1 is not present. But if 1 is present, then we need to check for the other things. So for this I will check the out of range values. So out of range values means those are negative numbers and greater than the length of array. For example, you can see in this list, that is the length of the list is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but highest value is 100, lowest value is 90, sorry, then 90, 89, these are the highest values. So what I will do, I will set those values to 1. So what is the condition over there? So if array of I less than equal to 0 and greater than n, then I will set those values to 1. Next thing, I will check that I will mark the occurrence of numbers, so directly within the array. So what I will do, I will create another for loop where I will check array of I minus 1 percentile n plus equal to n. So what it will do, it will update the array value to adding this number. Like for example, let's take this one. So here first value is array of 0, that is 100. 100 minus 1 is 99, percentile 7, so it will return 1. So array of 1 plus equal to n, so it will be 1 plus 7 is 8. Similar way it will update all the values. Then I will going to check which index has value that is less than n. So for I in range, if error of I less than equal to n, then it will return I plus 1. And at last, if all this value passes, then it will return n plus 1. So this is the total function I have created. Why I did that? I have created 3 for loops over here, and as well I have created 2 variables. So why I have taken that? So actually condition was over here, like we need to do uh, in big of n case, and the space complexity is big of 1. So time complexity is big of n, space complexity big of 1. So let's check the time complexity over here. So first one, for loop, one for loop means big of 1 time complexity. Again another for loop, that is independent, so it is also big of n. Another for loop and another one. So 4 for loops are there, but all have the time complexity of big of n, so it will be completely big of n. So our time complexity match. Next thing is uh, big of 1 means 1 extra space is it taking. So I have taken that flag equal to false, so this variable is taking 1 extra space, so this is big of 1 space complexity. So this is all about the time complexity with according to the time complexity and space complexity, but uh, the basic way how we are doing that is like, see, for that we can do this way as well. First one is we need to sort the array, and I am declaring a variable that is res, which is equal to 1, and I am just checking that for I in nums, if I greater than 0, then I will check if I equal to res. If I equal to res, then res will be increased by 1. At last it will return the res. So this is the way, but its time complexity is here we are doing sorting, so big O of n log n. Here one for loop big O of n, so time complexity would be big O of n log n, and space complexity also big O of n. So it is not optimized, so I have written this is the optimized one. We can go with this. So these both ways are possible, but first one is a native way, and the second one you can see is the not the native way, but it is the best optimized way. So let's run both the programs. So I can see here that I have taken this value. So let's run this. So you can see 4, our output came. Let's do one thing, give some negative values, -1. Now I am taking 4, and that's 9. Let's see, our output should come as 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are present. So let's see, yeah, this is also matching. For example, 1 is not present. Let's see, and now run this 1. So this is covers all the things for this program. Now let's see, for this case, this is a native approach, it will definitely pass, no issue, but it has larger time complexity and space complexity. So thanks guys, this is all for today, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. And if you like the video, please like the channel and share to the most of the people, so that they will also get this kind of things. So as I forgot to tell you one thing, this is one LeetCode program, and it's like its level is of hard level. So if you want to get this kind of videos, then surely subscribe, like and follow my channel, so you will get the latest updates from now on. Thanks everyone, bye bye.